Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection. Very beautiful and attractive color combos and alluring combination saree here. Dark purple color, beautiful purple it is. Black and purple mix, dark purple color with the copper zari buttas. The buttas are here. A musical design, copper zari, copper and silver mixed use. The tone of the zari is also very beautiful and very visible on this dark color. Borderless concept, completely hand woven with a very elegant dual tone color pallu. Of green, olive green mixed with mango yellow to get a very different tone, and the same tone of zari is also used here, copper and silver mix, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The combination is a unique combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection. An excellent combo. Here we have a bright combination saree, bright orange, almost a rustic orange color, with beautiful silver zari mostly used buttas, silver with mild gold, mostly silver. And musical buttas are given here, musical concept. Completely hand woven, borderless collection with the dark magenta color pallu. Pallu is also done in silver zari with a very elegant work, and we have plain blouse piece in the same color. The combination is very different, attractive combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection. A very unique butta design. Here we have an exclusive combination too. Olive green and yellow mixed color saree with the mild lime green tinge. Very beautiful one. Gold color glow on the saree. Very attractive color for the body with copper zari buttas, musical design. Very elegantly it's been crafted. Finely hand woven, beautiful saree with a dark magenta color pallu. Pallu is simple and beautiful with same copper zari work, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is again unique and exclusive, completely hand woven with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection and exclusive color combinations. Here we have a beautiful red saree, dark red, mild maroon shade red, beautiful color with musical design buttas. The buttas are done using gold and silver mixture work, a different tone of zari, completely hand woven, beautiful collection, premium quality with a sandal color, a mild brown and sandal mixed color pallu. The pastel shade pallu it is with the same kind of tone used for the zari work in the pallu also, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is beautiful, dark versus light with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A borderless collection, very beautiful color combination sarees here. Here we have an exclusive color, dual tone. Mango yellow is mixed with beautiful pink to get a very different gold tone color with pink glow on it. Very different and beautiful one with copper zari work buttas, musical design here. Very elegantly handcrafted, beautiful design, borderless concept, and we have a dual tone color pallu, a green mixed with mango again to get a beautiful tone for the saree pallu, and we also have copper zari work in the pallu also. The pallu tassels are already made with pallu color, plain blouse piece. The combination is very unique, exclusive piece with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, an excellent combo. Here we have an alluring combination, beautiful, a pinkish red color, pink and dark red mixed to get a beautiful tone it is. something green, dark pink and dark red. Very beautiful color, rare color too, with the musical pattern design buttas. Buttas are done using copper and silver mixed zari work. The tone of the zari is also a premium one here. Beautifully hand weaved, very beautiful finished saree with a very contrast and ultimate contrast combo. Here we have olive green mixed with mango yellow to get a beautiful color. Olive green in a very different combination, and same pallu color blouse piece. Combination of the saree is very unique and exclusive piece with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double arc. A very beautiful borderless collection. An excellent combo. Here we have a traditional and ever wanted lovable combo. A goldish yellow, beautiful shade. A bright and beautiful yellow here with the musical design butta that is done using copper gold zari here. Very elegantly been done all over. Premium finish, you can see the soft and beautiful finish. Completely hand woven saree with the dark magenta color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari work. Simple and beautiful pallu with same color. Plain blouse piece. The combination is regular but beautiful combo. Always demanded one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, an excellent color combination, pastel shade combo, light grey, a brownish grey color with a very elegant twin musical butta design. It's a beautiful design done in copper and silver mixed zari work. You can see the tone of the zari is also very pretty, subtle and elegant one. Completely handcrafted saree with a very contrast dual tone color pallu. Pallu have two colors, both green and blue. Very elegant color combo, and the same pallu color plain blouse piece is given with the pallu tassels already made. It's a very nice and beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. An excellent color combination, alluring combo sarees here. Borderless concept, completely handcrafted. Mango yellow mixed with pink to get a beautiful glowy color here. Almost a goldish pink it is looking. Really fantastic color. Yellow is prominent, and you can see the buttas, the dual musical design buttas. Gold zari used for the butta weaving. You can see the finish of the saree. Beautiful one, completely handcrafted with a light brown color pallu. Pallu also have beautiful gold zari work, different and beautiful pallu, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. The combination is really a rare one, exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful twin musical butta design. Excellent design sarees. Excellent combo color too. A very rare combination. Purple and brown mixed color. Different one. You can see the brown shade on the purple color. Dark base. Very beautiful. With gold zari. Twin musical design buttas. Buttas are excellently crafted using gold zari. Completely handcrafted, borderless concept, and we have a very contrast turquoise green and blue mixed color pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful here with same pallu color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, and the combination is extremely beautiful and rare one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection. The contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a beautiful dark choco brown color saree with twin musical design buttas. Buttas are a beautiful copper and silver zari mixed work. You can see original coppers mixed with silk plus silver to get a beautiful tone. Elegant color combo. On dark base, the buttas are very visible and beautiful too. And it is a completely handcrafted saree. To the contrast, we have a dual tone color pallu. Pallu has two colors, blue and green. Green is a radiant green color with very elegant jari work in the pallu, and we have same color plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made, and the combination is a beautiful and rare combo, an exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku, a borderless collection with a very beautiful pastel combination here. A sandal half white color, elegant sandal color, neat and pastel shade with musical design buttas for the body. Gold zari used for the butta weaving. Jewel is a swaram design. Excellent one, borderless concept here. Completely handcrafted, beautiful saree with a sweet pink pallu. Pallu have horizontal weaving design, then in gold jari, a rich work with plain roses. The combination is completely pastel and beautifully handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double varku. A very beautiful borderless collection. An excellent color combo. A goldish pink color. Red mixed with orange to get a glittery, beautiful glossy color. It is dark peach color, dish peach, and the dual musical buttas are also very excellent on the saree. Gold jari used for the butta weaving. Borderless concept, finely handcrafted work with a contrast light brown color pallu, almost half white with a brown tinge with very elegant gold jari work all over the pallu. The pallu tassels are already made with same color plain blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The combination is ultimate, very beautiful one with authentic silk.